You tell if my catalytic converter is clogged. The catalytic converter is one of the most critical parts on your vehicle's exhaust system. Its job is to reduce harmful emissions while supporting engine performance. When it becomes clogged or fails, the results can be frustrating and even dangerous. Loss of power, higher fuel consumption, or your car won't start. Recognizing the warning signs early can help you prevent major damage and keep your vehicle running smoothly. This what we're going to talk about is, when I first got in the industry, catalytic converters weren't even thought of. And, everybody had really good sounding exhaust, very throaty, very, rumbly. Um, Now, obviously, you don't really get to hear exhaust like you used to by any stretch. And, you know, all engines require a certain amount of back pressure and on and on, you know. Um, the catalytic converter, what does it do? It's located in the exhaust system between the engine and the muffler, and you can have more than one. So just know that there's more than one on most vehicles. Inside, it contains a honeycomb structure coated with precious metals such as platinum, palladium, all kinds of stuff. These metals act as catalysts, triggering chemical reactions that convert harmful gases into carbon monoxide, hydrocarbons, and nitrogen oxides into less harmful emissions such as carbon dioxide and water vapor. When functioning properly, it works silently in the background, but when it becomes clogged or damaged, your vehicle's performance and reliability take a hit. Some of the warning signs are loss of power and acceleration, reduced fuel economy, rotten egg or sulfur smell, rattling noises, check engine light, hard starting or stalling, emission test failure. And when you bring it into one of our shops, the technicians, mechanics are going to test your back pressure, your temperature, we're going to do a vacuum gauge test, and we're going to hook our scanners up to it. And then what are some of the causes of a catalytic converter, becoming clogged? Engine misfires, so you get unburned fuel, enters the exhaust, overheating and melting the honeycomb. Oil or coolant leaks, contaminants coat the converter internal surface, blocking airflow. Neglected maintenance, skipping oil changes, spark plugs, tune-ups, definitely can lead to excessive buildup. A bunch of frequent short trips. Short stop-and-go driving prevents the converter from reaching operating temperature, allowing carbon deposits to form. Short trips. A bunch of short trips is the hardest thing you're not driving your car at all is the hardest thing you can do. Stop and go, short stop and go driving definitely is the second hardest thing you can do. Cars are meant to be driven. They're meant to be used. And what happens if you ignore the problems? You can get engine damage, overheating, loss of safety, a complete breakdown. And, trying to repair a catalytic converter, they can be rebuilt, not by a normal automotive repair shop. So you're literally looking at replacement options. Sometimes you can clean the carbon buildup out. That's not repairing it, that's cleaning it. And, I guess you can consider it a repair, but you're repairing it by cleaning it. And then replacement is most often required, since internal damage literally is permanent. And regular maintenance, fixing misfires quickly and addressing check engine lights early can help extend the life of your converter. Repair the engine issues as soon as they arise, keep oil and coolant at proper levels, use the correct fuel recommended for your vehicle, stay on top of scheduled tune-ups and inspections, drive long enough for the converter to reach operating temperature, which helps burn off the deposits. Your catalytic converter is essential for safe, efficient, and economy-friendly driving. By learning the signs of clogged converters, loss of power, fuel efficiency drops, sulfur smells, rattling noises, or check engine lights, you can prevent more serious problems down the road. If you if you ever notice anything going on with your vehicle, any of these things, if you ever noticed any of them going on with your vehicle, why? I mean, if you all of a sudden got a pain in your left foot, are you are you going to ignore it? A lot of people do. Most people can tell that that's a signal that something's wrong. And if you don't know what you did to hurt your foot, then you probably want to go to the doctor to get it checked out just to be sure. It's the same with a car. Better to be safe than sorry. Stay safe, stay strong.